Today I'm going to teach you how to increase productivity in Zendesk with triggers. This feature allows you to automate repetitive tasks and ensure tickets are handled efficiently, saving you and your team valuable time every day. First, open your browser and head over to zendesk.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with an account that has admin permissions, as you'll need these to create and manage triggers. After logging in, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the gear icon. This is your gateway to all the administrative settings in Zendesk. Click on this icon and it will direct you straight to the Admin Center, where you can configure various aspects of your workspace. Now that you're in the Admin Center, focus on the left side panel again. Here, click on Objects and Rules. This section houses all the automation and workflow settings that can streamline your support process. Once you're in Objects and Rules, find Business Rules in the list. Under Business Rules, you'll see several options, but for today's task, click on Triggers. On the Triggers page, you'll see a button labeled Create Trigger. Click on it to start building your automation. This is where the real magic happens, as triggers can automatically perform actions based on specific conditions you set. The first thing you need to do is input a trigger name. For example, you might name it something descriptive, like if brand is sample, then assign sample form. A clear name helps you and your team quickly understand what the trigger does when reviewing your automation rules later. Next, add a category for your trigger. This helps organize your triggers, especially if you end up creating many of them over time. Categorizing ensures you can filter and find specific triggers easily. Now comes the condition setup. Click to add a condition, and from the drop-down menu, make it brand. Then set the operator to is. Finally, input your brand name in the value field. This condition tells Zendesk to look for tickets associated with your specified brand. Lastly, scroll down to the Actions section. This is where you define what happens when the condition is met. Set the action to ticket form, and then in the value dropdown, select the form you want to assign. This ensures that tickets matching your condition automatically use the correct form, maintaining consistency across your support process. Once everything is configured, click Create Trigger to finalize and activate your automation. Your trigger is now live and will start working immediately, automatically assigning the correct form to tickets based on the brand you specified. And that's it. You've successfully created a trigger in Zendesk that will boost your team's productivity by automating ticket assignments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.